warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, saya Fitri Indasari. Saya adalah peserta PPG dalam jabatan kategori 2 tahun 2022 di LPTK Universitas Simalungun. Hari ini saya akan melaksanakan video pembelajaran UKIN. Selamat menyaksikan. Permisi, Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. Good morning, Miss Fitri. How are you this morning? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Fine too, thank you. Okay, class. Before we study, let's pray. Pray lead by Feby. Silakan.
Before we study, let's pray to begin. Start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Feby. Before we start our class today, Miss mau mengkondisikan dulu kelasnya. Sepertinya di bawah itu masih banyak sampah. Kakak, silakan diambil sampahnya. Kemudian, ya, coba diperiksa semuanya di atas meja. Silakan, sudah. Oke, silakan langsung keluar ya. Start our class this morning. Bisa kita mulai kelasnya pagi ini? Okay, thank you. I will check your attendance list ya. First, Raffi Akbar, Naomi, Mutia, Nadia, Ratu, Cynthia, Dia. Okay, thank you. Nobody absent today ya, semuanya hadir hari ini ya. Oke, nah pagi ini semuanya udah makan, udah sarapan? Happy this morning? Yes. Of course yes. If you're happy this morning, so you need to be ready to study in this class. Iya kan? Kalau sudah hari ini feelingnya sudah baik, sudah sarapan, maka sudah siap untuk belajar di kelas. Iya kan? Oke. Sebelum kita lanjutkan lagi, kita mau menyanyikan lagu wajib nasional. Everybody please stand up. Siapa yang mau menemani? Oke, kelas. Jadi dengan menyanyikan lagu wajib nasional itu akan menambah rasa cinta kita terhadap air. Maka generasi muda zaman sekarang harus juga mencintai lagu-lagu wajib nasional, lagu-lagu daerah. Ya, bukan hanya lagu-lagu yang terbaru sekarang, tapi kita juga harus mengetahui lagu wajib dan siapa penciptanya. Kira-kira tadi pencipta lagu Tanah Air itu ciptaan siapa? Ibu. Oke, mantap. Oke, so in this morning, I wanna ask you about our previous lessons. Kita minggu lalu belajar tentang apa? What is our lesson last week? Analytical exposition. What is analytical exposition? Siapa yang tahu? Oke, silakan dengarnya.
Analytical exposition is a text with a purpose to persuade the audience by making an argument.
Okay, good. How about the generic structure of analytical exposition? Raise your hand. Generic structure. Thesis. Arguments. What else? Reiteration. Okay, jadi itu adalah jenis text analytical exposition. So today I wanna show you two pictures here. What is the picture? Kira-kira gambarnya tentang apa? Siklus air. Oke, look at the picture yang di sebelahnya. How does the rain form? Ya kan? Bagaimana cara terbentuknya hujan? Oke, you can see the picture. To answer this, let us explore the water cycle. Perputaran air gitu katanya ya. Kemudian dari pertama there is the sun and water will evaporate. What else? Rain will start to fall from the In your opinion, what can you describe from the situation? Tania, please.
Firstly, it forms from the sun, vaporizing the water or the river or even the ocean, and then the gas forms into a rain, and finally the rain drops down and flow back to the ocean.
Okay, good. Thank you, Intania. So, ya, jadi dalam pembelajaran ini nantinya kita akan mempelajari tentang ya suatu fenomena alam maupun fenomena sosial. Misalnya fenomena alam apa yang sudah Miss tunjukkan? Tentang siklus air ya, terjadinya hujan. What else? Biasanya fenomena alam itu apa lagi? Flood. Kemudian rainbow ya, bagaimana terjadinya pelangi, ada lagi banyak lagi terjadinya gempa bumi, kemudian tanah longsor. Nah itu yang dinamakan dengan fenomena. Kalau yang tentang fenomena itu fenomena alam maksud saya. Kalau fenomena sosial, contohnya cyberbullying. What else? Corruption, ya kan? Pernah dengar corruption? Korupsi? Itu dianya. Oke. So, in this morning our lessons ini adalah tujuan pembelajarannya. Siapa yang bisa bacakan di poin pertama? Ya, silakan Feby.
Setelah mengamati video yang ditampilkan melalui slide PowerPoint, peserta didik dapat menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan, beberapa teks explanation, lisan, dan tulis, dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait gejala alam atau sosial dengan benar.
Oke, good. Kemudian poin yang kedua, setelah memahami video melalui slide PowerPoint, nantinya peserta didik anak-anak Miss akan dapat menyimpulkan teks explanation lisan dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait gejala alam ataupun sosial dengan benar. Nah, dilanjutkan lagi nanti setelah mengidentifikasi gambar dan beberapa teks yang disajikan, nanti peserta didik dapat merangkaikan teks explanation terkait gejala alam atau sosial dengan tepat. Coba bacakan poin yang terakhir, kakak, dia.
Setelah melakukan diskusi dengan anggota kelompok, peserta didik dapat menentukan makna terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks explanation terkait gejala alam atau sosial dengan benar.
Oke, good. Nah, jadi
Talk about explanation text. Kamu sudah tahu belum apa itu explanation text? Yuk kita lihat penjelasannya berikut ini. Well, explanation text is a non-fiction text that is used to describe how and why things happen. Jadi teks ini kita gunakan untuk mendeskripsikan bagaimana dan mengapa suatu hal itu terjadi. Biasanya yang dibahas dalam explanation text itu adalah suatu kejadian natural gitu ya, suatu kejadian alam seperti earthquake, terjadinya hujan, bagaimana terjadinya turun salju, bagaimana terjadinya ada pelangi, seperti itu. Jadi fenomena-fenomena alam, bisa juga fenomena sosial ya. Selain itu yang saat ini sedang marak adalah COVID-19. Nah, ketika kita ingin menjelaskan mengapa dan bagaimana COVID-19 itu terjadi, maka kita menggunakan explanation text. Sudah paham? Jadi dalam explanation text itu menjabarkan sequences how and why something happens. Paham ya? Yuk kita lihat yuk the function of this text. So students, the social function of this text is to describe why and how a certain phenomenon happens gitu. Jadi digunakan untuk memberitahu nih, menjelaskan mengapa dan bagaimana suatu fenomena itu terjadi. Well students, explanation text itu ada 3 nih strukturnya. Bagian yang pertama yaitu bagian opening statement-nya. Ya, di sini biasanya dijelaskan nih apa yang akan kita bahas. Selanjutnya yaitu ada description-nya. Description ini berisi sequences, why, dan how something itu terjadi.
Okay, have you watched the video? Yes. Okay, so now I want to divide you into groups, ya, into some groups. Jadi silakan duduk dengan kelompoknya. Kelompoknya sudah kita bagi sebelumnya kan, sudah kita bahas di grup WhatsApp-nya. Oke, silakan sekarang berdiri dan duduk dengan kelompoknya masing-masing. Okay, so in this activity 4, you have to arrange the scrambled paragraph into a good explanation text. There are 2 paragraphs here. Text 1. A snow occurs when water vapors in the air freeze before they can turn into water. Nah, kira-kira mana bagian yang awal dari explanation text atau bagian yang kedua dan seterusnya. Jadi, you have to understand the generic structure of explanation text first, and then you can rearrange this paragraph. Letakkan jawabannya di kolom answer, kemudian you make your own conclusion of this text. Make your own conclusion, buat kesimpulan sendiri dari teks yang sudah dibaca.
Ini udah 1 paragraf.
Iya. Oke, kemudian sama dengan teks 1. There is text 2. Text 2, ini ada beberapa paragraf di sini. Nah, ini yang harus di. Oke. Jaringan di dalam internet. Okay, have you finished activity 1 and 2?
Yes.
Yes, okay. The first activity 1. Which group wanna answer the questions? Kelompok mana yang mau jawab activity 1? Jawaban 1 disebut dengan apa? Silakan, stand up please.
Yes.
Berdiri.
Is natural phenomena.
Okay.
Is natural phenomena.
Okay.
Picture 2 is natural phenomena. Picture 3 social phenomena. And picture 4 natural phenomena.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Picture 2 is natural phenomena. Picture 3 social phenomena. And picture 4 natural phenomena.
Okay, good. Thank you. Second activity, activity 2. Which group wanna answer the activity 2? Kelompok mana yang mau jawab activity 2?
Paragraph first, general statement. Paragraph second, sequence of events. Paragraph 3, closing.
Oke, coba Feby baca teks yang pertama, general statement. Stand up, please.
Global warming, which is happening right now, has a very big impact on natural conditions, animals and humans. Well, do you know how global warming, which has a particular serious impact of life, happens? To know the process of how this phenomenon occurs.
General statement. It is read you can see the general topic of the text is as a whole. B. Paragraph 4 French explanation. There are some explanation on how the things work.
Okay, good. Thank you. Masih ketiga ya? Okay, in text 2, ya. When you have you scanned the barcode? Sudah di scan barcode-nya? Okay, have you watched the video? Sudah ditonton videonya? Okay, and have you answered the 3 questions here? Sudah? Okay, siapa yang mau jawab? Kelompok mana? Silakan.
Question 1. What is the video explain about? It explains about how the landslide happens. Number 2. Which one of general statement of the text on the video? Landslide is a geological process that happens because of the movement of rock mass or soil. Number 3.
Could you please conclude the main idea of the phenomenon on the video? The conclusion is that landslide usually happens on rainy days, and we also have to prevent it.
Okay, good. Thank you. Going to the next steps of this lesson today. Kita mau ice breaking dulu ya. Okay, everybody stand up please. Okay, dancing alone in the front of class ya. Yang nggak mau dancing nanti dancing sendiri di depan. Explanation. Natalia, could you please repeat my explanation about explanation text, please?
About explanation text is a non-fiction text that describes how or why things happen.
Okay, good. How about the generic structure of explanation text from our lessons today? Apa itu generic structure dari explanation text dari pembelajaran kita hari ini? Siapa yang bisa menyampaikan generic structure-nya? Tadi di video ada ya? Okay. Who can answer? Generic structure-nya. The first is title of explanation text, and the second is general statement. General statement itu apa? Stating the phenomenon issues which are to be explained. Menjelaskan isu dari fenomenanya yang akan dijabarkan dalam teks itu. Kemudian sequence itu adalah urutan atau langkah atau bagaimana, how and why, kenapa terjadinya suatu fenomena itu. Tadi fenomenanya ada dua, apa saja? Very English please. Natural. Okay, natural and social phenomena. In the form of explanation text. Yeah, how about the language feature using chronological connection? For example, apa chronological connectionnya di sini? To begin and then with, ya kata hubung, kata sambungnya. Next, kemudian and etc. Ya, di dalam bahasa Indonesia kita juga belajar bagaimana apa saja yang termasuk dalam kata hubung. Ya kan? Okay. And look at the slide. The main purpose of explanation text is to explain apa? How or why something happens. Jadi kuncinya explanation text itu adalah teks yang menceritakan how and why something happen. Kenapa dan bagaimana sesuatu terjadi. Kalau misalnya natural phenomena, misalnya ada rainbow, ya, how rainbows form, how rains fall, gitu ya kan? Bagaimana hujan turun, bagaimana bisa pelangi itu terbentuk. Nah itu kalau dalam teks kita sebut dengan explanation. There are how many pictures are there? Ada berapa gambar di sana? How many pictures? There are 6. There are 6 pictures. Ya, there are 6 pictures on your LKPD. Ada 6 gambar di dalam LKPD-nya. Silakan disusun atau disesuaikan dengan kelompok. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 ya. Okay, and then create your own explanation text, and later you will present it in the front present their words? Bisa? Kelompok 1 ya? Oke, silakan. Time's yours. Silakan maju.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Introduce yourself first.
We from group 1 will read our presentation about explanation text. Before that, we would like to introduce ourselves. I myself as Intania Apriliandra. Saya Alia Fialisis. Saya Nadia. Saya Nadia. Saya Diani Handayani. Okay. Our explanation text is about rainbow. Almost everyone very likes a natural phenomenon called the rainbow. To the extent that a lot of people create an artwork like songs, cakes, and the other work after seeing the beautiful colors of the rainbow. But do you know,
Silakan.
as we all know about the explanation text generic structures, the first one is the title. Our title of the explanation text is Rainbow on the top, the very top. Then we have the opening statement, which is this one. It explains about what the topic we are discussing about. Then the next one is description or sequencing. It's about explanations on how or why something happens about the topic that we discussed in this. Lastly, the conclusion. The conclusion is based on our opinions too. Or it can be a closing about the topic we discussed.
Okay, that's all. Sudah jelas? Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, you can close your presentation.
Okay, I think that is all we have for our presentation. We apologize if there is some mistakes or anything that's not much in our presentation. Thank you for listening.
Sekian dari kami. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
We will start the presentation. How does the rain fall? We can.
We'll start presentation about how does the rain from. And me is Febi Azahra.
My name is Rafa.
My name is Faza. And I'm Zahra.
My name is Rafi.
Rain is one of the main source of fresh water for almost all people in the world.
This paragraph is named general statement, and this paragraph is sequence of events, and class is of closing.
That's all? Okay. Could you please open your mics, please?
It's good, but sadly, there are only one reader.
Only one reader, yeah. They have make all of their groups become a reader, ya. Jadi semuanya harus baca gitu ya.
Yeah. So it can be clear. See how they read it, how they pronounce. He did a good job.
Okay, good. Thank you, Intania. She hopes that all of you can be a reader. So we can see your pronunciation, the way you present your text, yeah. Because in your group there is only one reader, not two. Two readers. One reader. Corruption is the cause of legislation power by government official for implement private agent. Misuse of government power for other purposes such as creation of political opponents.
His title is corruption. Paragraph 1, general statement. Paragraph 2, suppression. Paragraph 3,
I actually like this one. Not only they make their own text on their own, good evidence, but they also can pronounce some words. But they need to be more confident on it and learn how to pronounce.
Okay, you need to be more confident, harus lebih percaya diri dan improve your pronunciation. Bagaimana cara mengucapkannya? Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. My name is Ina Nadira.
My name is Ratu Juliana Budak-Budak.
My name is Fazra.
And name is Adirek Sipapat.
And today our group will present about how rain falls. So please your attention. Rain is one of the main sources of fresh water for almost all people in the world. It provides suitable conditions for different ecosystem.
This one. Okay, next, suggestions of explanating in your. Next, and conclusion.
Conclusion.
Yes. Very. Okay.
Okay, and our presentation has been completed. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Just one, improve your pronunciation. You already did a good job.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
That's all about your presentation, ya. From all your text, kemudian dari semua teks tadi sudah ditampilkan. Ada yang tentang rainbow, ya kan? What else? Rain. What else? Corruption. What else? Bullying and many other interesting texts that you have to create in your own book. Okay. From our lesson today and our presentation today, there are the best group. Ada kelompok terbaiknya di dalam sesi pembelajaran kali ini. Nah, before sebelum Miss sampaikan mana kelompok yang terbaik, Miss mau memberikan dulu penguatan untuk kedepannya bagaimana peserta didik dapat membuat teks dengan baik itu. Nah, untuk tadi sesuai dengan jenis structure-nya sudah bagus. Kemudian dari sekuensinya sudah juga, dari menentukan mana bagian jenis structure-nya semuanya sudah bisa ya, sudah bisa melakukan dan sudah bisa membuat text explanation dan mempresentasikannya. Fokus kepada the way you read the text ya, dalam artian mengenal main idea, generic structure, and the conclusion. Semuanya sudah bagus. Untuk kedepannya lebih diperbanyak lagi vocabulary-nya, jadi ada variasi kata-katanya. Okay, thank you. So the best group in this session. Ya, siapa ya?
Here. In here.
Yes, of course, the group one.
Ah.
Okay. Okay, one, I have something to give to you. Okay, please come to the front. Okay, okay, thank you for group one. You have made your best in this session. Ya, mulai dari penampilan teksnya juga bagus. Miss lihat tadi kan, generic structure-nya juga, the way they presenting their text in the front of class, yeah, and the way they give your suggestion or comment for each group. So I think they are is the best team. Okay, I will give. Wow. Okay, maybe everybody can take our picture. Yeah. Okay, you can take our. What can you conclude about our material today? What is explanation text? Okay, silakan Tania.
Explanation text usually describes about how or why something happens. It can be natural phenomenon or social phenomenon.
Okay, good. Thank you. How about the generic structure of explanation text? Siapa yang mau jawab? The generic structure. Sarah? Baby, stand up please.
First, general statement. Second is sequence of events, and the last is conclusion.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So that's all about explanation text. Now I want to ask you, what do you feel about our lesson today? Bagaimana perasaannya belajar hari ini?
Not bad, Miss.
If you say not bad, it means that. Kalau kamu bilang not bad, berarti apa?
Tidak. Tidak.